Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply add member to family group in Google Play Store. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here, open up my Play Store. Then after you open up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. And the next thing you need to do is to go to settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to family. And the next thing you need to do right here is to simply click on manage family members. It's going to take you right there. Next thing you need to do, you have 5 invitations left. So what you can do right here is to click on this plus sign right here. Then allow SMS invitation. Simply click on give access. So it's going to take you right here. Now you can invite up to 5 people to join your family group if they are 13 years or older. Children can be added via Google Family link. Anyone you invite to join family group can see the name, email, profile picture of current group members. So right here, what you need to do is to type the name of the family member, your email address, or you can use either of their phone number. So you have 3 options right here: either use name or their email or their phone number. So once you enter it, then what you need to do is to simply click on send, and they will receive a family member request link from Google. Then they will have to click on it and join the family group in your Google Play Store. So they can use everything you have in the family group, such as the purchase and the likes in Google Play Store. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply invite your family to join in the family group in your Google Play Store. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.